to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Evelyn and I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to give you this eye look using my SHEGLAM eyeshadow palette. I love the SHEGLAM eyeshadow palettes. I think they're the most affordable and really good quality, really good quality eyeshadow palettes in the market right now. So we're gonna go ahead and use this whole palette to create this whole look. I only used one eyeshadow palette to do this whole look. So if you want to see how I created this look, just carry on watching this video. However, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Love you all, take care, bye guys. Hey beauties, so we are going to begin with Sheglam Sunflower Eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up the shade Pinning for You, which is a really nice beautiful green color shade, and I'm going to use my Morphe and Makeup by Ariel collaboration brush, pencil brush to do this. I am in huge love with this Morphe and Ariel by Makeup brushes collab, because they are slightly different quality than Morphe's own brushes, and I have to say they are really nice. They make your job so much easier. I'm just taking Pinning for You slowly on a few different type of brushes just to add that intensity, and I'm just using another clean blending brush to just make sure I just blend this out nicely, using the same shade to create another wing basically. And lately I've been loving doing the wings using the eyeshadows, because it gives you so many options. Like, the options are limitless, you can use any color. And I'm just using my Zoeva wing eyeliner brush to do this. This is a really nice angled liner brush which helps you to create a wing, especially if you're working with the eyeshadow. It's really nice. Using the same pencil brush by Ariel, Makeup by Ariel, to just blend out the wing a little bit. And now I'm picking up the shade Ginger Spice and I'm adding this in my inner corner and a little bit diffusing it with Pinning for You. Now with the flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Golden Girl and I'm gonna fill the blank space, but not all of it, just mainly on the lid. And I am using Urban Decay Metal Heavy Glitter Metal Eyeliner in shade Midnight Cowboy to add a little bit more sparkle and to fill in the blank space between the lid and the eyeshadow I applied near my brows. Just following the same colors on my lower lash line and tight lining with Sigma tight line brush, and going to curl my lashes using my Essence mascara before I go with my falsies. And for my falsies I use my own lash brand. And I use the style I'm winging it. It's a really nice, natural looking, really wispy lash, so it was perfect for this kind of look. So there we go guys, this is the final look. I am obsessed with this eye look. It looks so beautiful, looks really stunning. Everything is stunning in this eyeshadow palette. If you haven't checked out the SHEGLAM eyeshadow palettes yet, do check it out, and trust me, you're not gonna be disappointed. The quality is really good. Don't think this in your head it's a Shein makeup brand, so it's not gonna be good or anything. You will be surprised. You just don't know what you're missing right now. So if you haven't checked it out already, do check it out. I will write down my discount code in the description box below so you can shop, or even you can use your Shein points as well to purchase SHEGLAM makeup through Shein's website. So do check them out. You're gonna be
very happy with your purchase. So yeah, here we go. So let's just go into the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.